Friday the 13th, with a full moon. There will not be another one of these until the year in which I turn 100. I expect to be right here. It's very strange out there right now. The financial markets they're not frozen. There's trading going on, but the trading volume, especially in the stock market, is steadily down. The bond market, on which mortgage rates depend, has fallen out of a predictable pattern and into just a sort of a jittery wandering around. The most immediate force confusing everybody is geopolitics again. Iraq rising above Ukraine in importance, and I'll testify today, don't worry about it. The markets looked as though they didn't worry about it today, and it can get very ugly, but I think it's less and less important to the United States and to our markets. The main reason for the indecision in the markets, not knowing what to do, has to do with the argument about whether we're accelerating. What's the state of the economy? Are we going to have wage increases that can make the economy inflationary? And what's the Fed going to do about it? The Fed is always in a bad box, but it's in a terrible box now. It doesn't dare send signals that it will tighten rather sooner than later, for fear that it intercepts an economy that's not that strong to begin with. It does not dare create a recession by accident now because it's not clear how it would get us out of it, which puts the Fed inevitably behind the curve. It makes it vulnerable to some kind of overheat or inflation surprise. I don't think that's what's in prospect, but it's odd to go day in and day out with markets just sort of slopping along, unable to find their ground. But that's where we are. Have a good weekend.